Have you ever wondered what a tiny house cat and a giant tiger have in common? They both belong to a special group of animals called the Felidae family. This is the scientific name for all cats, big and small, found across our planet. The word Felidae comes from the Latin word felis, which simply means cat. So, when scientists talk about Felidae, they are talking about the entire cat family. This family includes every single species, from the lions roaming the African savanna to the little sandcat hiding in the desert. They are a truly global family, with members on almost every continent. All members of the Felidae family share a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. This means that every cat, no matter its size or where it lives, is related. They are all expert hunters, built for a life of stealth and power. This shared heritage gives them similar features, like sharp claws that can be pulled back into their paws, excellent night vision for hunting in the dark, and a body designed for quick, powerful movements. These are the classic traits that define a cat. They are what link the smallest black-footed cat to the largest Siberian tiger. The Felidae family is split into two main subfamilies. The first is Pantherinae, which includes the big cats like lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars. A special bone in their throat allows most of them to roar, a sound that can travel for miles. The second subfamily is Felinae, which includes all the other cats. This group is much larger and more diverse, containing cats like cheetahs, pumas, lynxes, and all the smaller wild cats, as well as our own domestic house cats. These cats cannot roar, but many of them can purr contentedly, both when breathing in and out. Understanding the Felidae family helps us appreciate the amazing diversity within this single group of animals. It is a story of evolution and adaptation that has spread across the globe. From the dense jungles of Asia to the snowy mountains of North America, a member of the cat family has found a way to thrive. They are a perfect example of nature's ability to create a successful design and then tweak it to fit countless different environments. Every cat is a masterpiece of evolution, a living testament to the success of the Felidae blueprint. It is a family bound by a shared predatory legacy. The cat family shows an incredible variety in its physical appearance. Perhaps the most obvious difference is size. The smallest member is the rusty-spotted cat of India and Sri Lanka, which can weigh as little as 1 kilogram or just over 2 pounds. It is so tiny it could easily be mistaken for a kitten. On the other end of the scale is the mighty Siberian tiger, the largest cat in the world. A male tiger can weigh over 300 kilograms, or 660 pounds, making it hundreds of times heavier than its smallest cousin. This huge range in size shows how cats have adapted to hunt different prey in different places. Fur patterns are another area of amazing diversity. Many cats have coats designed for camouflage. The leopard, for example, is covered in beautiful rosettes, which are rose-like spots. This pattern helps it blend into the dappled light of the forest canopy, making it nearly invisible to the prey below. The tiger, on the other hand, has bold vertical stripes. These stripes break up its body outline in the tall grasses and dense undergrowth of its jungle home. Other cats, like the puma, have a plain, uniform coat of tawny fur, which helps them disappear into rocky, open landscapes. Body shapes and features also vary greatly among the felids. The cheetah is a perfect example of specialized design. It has a long, slender body, a flexible spine, and a small head, all built for incredible speed. It is the fastest land animal on Earth. In contrast, the jaguar has a very different build. It is stocky and powerful, with an exceptionally strong jaw. This raw power allows it to hunt large, tough prey like caiman, and to crush turtle shells. These different body plans are directly related to their hunting styles and the environments they inhabit, showing a perfect marriage of form and function. Even tails tell a story of adaptation. The snow leopard, which lives in high, cold mountains, has a very long, thick, and bushy tail. It uses this tail like a scarf, wrapping it around its body for extra warmth when it rests. The tail also acts as a counterbalance when the cat is leaping between steep, rocky cliffs. But some cats, like the bobcat and the lynx, have very short, bobbed tails. For these cats, a long tail might get in the way as they move through the dense forests and brush they call home. Every feature, from the tip of the nose to the end of the tail, has a purpose. The members of the Felidae family can be found all over the world, each one a master of its own domain. In the dense, humid jungles of Asia, the tiger reigns as the apex predator. This magnificent big cat is a symbol of power and beauty, known for its sheer size and strength. Tigers are solitary hunters that rely on stealth to ambush large prey like deer and wild boar. Their striped coats provide the perfect camouflage in the tall grasses and shadowy forests, allowing them to get incredibly close before launching a deadly attack. The tiger is a true icon of the Asian wilderness. Across the world in Africa, the lion holds the title of king. Unlike most other cats, lions are highly social animals. They live in groups called prides, which can include several adult males, many related females, and their cubs. This social structure allows them to work together to hunt very large animals, such as buffalo and wildebeest, which would be too difficult for a single cat to bring down. The male lion's impressive mane protects its neck during fights with rivals, a unique feature among all the cats. The open savannas are their kingdom, and their roars echo across the plains. Venturing into the Americas, from the cold mountains of Canada down to the southern tip of Argentina, we find the adaptable puma. Also known as the mountain lion or cougar, this large cat is a master of versatility. It does not have spots or stripes, but a plain, tawny coat that helps it blend into a wide variety of habitats, including mountains, forests, and deserts. The puma is a powerful and agile hunter, capable of taking down prey as large as elk. Its incredible adaptability has allowed it to have the largest range of any large wildland mammal in the Western Hemisphere. But the cat family is not just about the big famous predators. In the deserts of Africa and Asia lives the sand cat, a small and elusive hunter perfectly suited to its harsh environment. It has broad, fur-covered paws that act like snowshoes, protecting its feet from the hot sand and allowing it to move easily across the dunes. Its pale, sandy-colored fur provides excellent camouflage against the desert floor. The sand cat is a specialist, hunting small rodents, reptiles, and insects under the cover of darkness. It shows that even in the most challenging places on Earth, a member of the cat family has found a way to thrive. The incredible differences we see in wild cats are not random. They are solutions to the challenges of survival. Each cat's body is a toolkit, perfectly shaped by evolution, to help it live and hunt in its specific environment. For example, the snow leopard's large paws act like natural snowshoes, spreading its weight so it can walk on top of deep snow without sinking. Its powerful hind legs allow it to make spectacular leaps across rocky ledges in its mountainous home. Every part of its body is designed to conquer the high-altitude terrain where it hunts wild sheep and goats. Consider the fishing cat of Southeast Asia, which has a body built for a semi-aquatic life. Unlike most cats, it is an excellent swimmer and has partially webbed paws that help it paddle through the water. Its dense, short fur acts like a waterproof layer, keeping its skin dry and warm. It hunts primarily for fish, using its sharp claws to snatch them directly from streams and wetlands. This cat's unique features show how the Felidae family has evolved to exploit different food sources, even those found in the water, demonstrating remarkable adaptability to various ecological niches. In contrast, the cheetah's body is a marvel of engineering for speed in open grasslands. It has a lightweight frame, a long tail for balance during high-speed turns, and enlarged nostrils and lungs to take in more oxygen while sprinting. Even its claws are different. They are not fully retractable, which gives them better grip on the ground, much like the spikes on a runner's shoe. This entire design is focused on one goal: to chase down fast-moving prey like gazelles. The cheetah sacrifices the power of other big cats for unmatched speed, a trade-off that has made it a successful hunter on the African plains. Despite all these amazing differences in size, shape, and skill, it is important to remember that all these animals are still cats. They all share that fundamental blueprint of a predator: sharp teeth, keen senses, and a body built for agility and stealth. The variety we see is simply a beautiful illustration of how that one successful blueprint can be modified to fit nearly any environment on Earth. From the roaring lion on the savannah to the tiny rusty-spotted cat in the forest, they are all connected by a shared ancestry. They are all, without a doubt, members of the one magnificent Felidae family.